Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Redefining the very definition of mobile luxury, the 2026 Bentley Superior Class Motorhome is set to become the most elegant mansion on wheels. With this fictitious product, Bentley would make its first ever entry into the motorhome market and transform its century-long heritage of superb craftsmanship, unmatched performance, and classic beauty into a luxurious traveling mobile home. When viewed from the outside, the 2026 Bentley Superior Class Motorhome would stand out due to its distinct sense of sophistication. With its design, Bentley's trademark style would be expertly translated to a bigger canvas, eschewing the traditional, functional forms of regular RVs. Imagine sleek, flowing lines that blend from front to back, accented with polished chrome, crystal effect LED headlamps, and Bentley's iconic matrix grille. With its carefully designed, possibly hand-painted, exterior finish in Bentley's rich color scheme, the car would have a powerful yet elegant appearance. Large, panoramic windows with privacy tinting technology would be seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, guaranteeing occupants expansive vistas and a flawless external profile. Its uniqueness would be further enhanced by specially made, large-diameter wheels, perhaps adorned with self-leveling Bentley B insignia. Entering the 2026 Bentley Superior Class Motorhome would transport one to a realm of opulence and custom craftsmanship. An interior that rivals the best static mansions would validate the Mansion on Wheels title. The finest materials would be used to painstakingly handcraft each surface and detail. Large stretches of hand-stitched leather from sustainable sources will be available in a variety of unique colors and quilting designs. Cabinets and surfaces would be adorned with richly figured wood veneers that were meticulously book-matched and polished to a mirror finish. Controls and fixtures would have polished knurled metal accents, which are a characteristic of Bentley. Although the interior design may be completely altered to suit the owner's preferences, it usually had a large living salon, richly upholstered chairs, a custom entertainment system with a large format retractable screen, and an integrated sound system of the highest caliber would all be featured in this area. A gourmet kitchen with top-notch appliances, like those made by Gaggenau or Sub-Zero, that mix in well with the design would provide plenty of space for preparation and possibly even a concealed induction burner. With a king-sized bed, a walk-in closet, and an onyx or marble bathroom with a rainfall shower and upscale fixtures, the master suite would be a tranquil haven. Specialized spaces like a home theater or a private office, or extra private areas for visitors or employees, would be carefully incorporated. The 2026 Bentley Superior Class Motorhome would lead the way in technological advancement. From multi-zone climate management to sophisticated lighting scenarios and integrated security systems, a sophisticated and user-friendly control system, possibly voice-activated and touch-enabled, would oversee every element of the vehicle's surroundings. A flawless digital experience would be guaranteed by cutting-edge connectivity, such as integrated 5G and high-speed satellite internet. To provide prolonged off-grid capability without sacrificing efficiency, the car would include a strong, independent power management system that might include cutting-edge fuel cells or a highly effective diesel-electric hybrid drivetrain. Perfect cabin air quality would be maintained by a state-of-the-art air filtration system. Driver assistance technologies would be discreetly included, adding convenience and safety without taking away from the driving experience. In addition to being a means of transportation, the 2026 Bentley Superior Class Motorhome would be a mobile declaration of unmatched elegance and a private haven for the world's most discriminating connoisseurs who expect the best, no matter where their journeys take them.